How to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android with cable. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android with cable. Ensure both your iPhone and Android phone are fully charged and have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Next, use a Lightning to USB-C cable to connect your iPhone to your Android device. To initiate a transfer on iPhone, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then select Chats, and then move Chats to Android. Now scan the QR code that appears on your Android phone. To complete the transfer, click Start on your iPhone. After that, wait for the transfer to complete. This may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your chat history. Once done, open WhatsApp on your Android phone and verify your phone number. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.